Nicholas Thomas has always had a passion for helping others. Thomas received both of his degrees from Florida State University, inclusive of his Bachelor's of Science in Exercise Physiology from the College of Human Sciences in 2018, and his master's degree through the Bridge to Clinical Medicine program from the College of Medicine in 2020. He is currently pursuing his doctorate in medicine from the FSU College of Medicine. Thomas's dream of becoming a doctor started during his childhood. When his nephew was diagnosed with cerebral palsy, he experienced firsthand the positive impact a doctor can have on a patient. This experience drove Thomas to want to make a difference in the lives of others and to become a doctor himself. During Thomas's first year at Florida State, he became a member of Theta Chi fraternity, in which he went on to serve as Vice President of External Affairs. Through Theta Chi, Thomas was able to foster his passion for helping children with disabilities through his involvement in Dance Marathon, a year-long student-led initiative which aims to raise funds for children in need of specialized pediatric medical care. In 2016, Thomas co-founded the Extraordinary Kids Foundation, a nonprofit that provides developmentally disabled children with personalized care. That same year, the foundation opened a prescribed pediatric extended care facility in Lake Worth, Florida. Thanks to a team of nurses and therapists, children can enjoy full-time medical daycare completely funded by Medicaid. While building his nonprofit, Thomas reconnected with his high school wrestling team and served as a volunteer wrestling coach. When Thomas returned to Tallahassee the following year for school, he joined the FSU wrestling team and had an undefeated season, which was unfortunately cut short due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Though he started his first year of medical school virtually, that did not stop Thomas's drive for excellence. In his first year, he led the Tar Wars Initiative, teaching lessons on tobacco prevention and lung health to 4th and 5th graders in the Tallahassee community. Additionally, he serves as the president of the class of 2024 at the College of Medicine as the sports medicine chair for the Family Medicine Interest Group. In the spring of 2021, Thomas was selected as Nth Dimension Scholar, a highly selective national pipeline program for underrepresented minorities going into competitive medical specialties. He is an advocate for health quality and is a member of the American Public Health Association. Research continues to be a passion of Thomas. He is currently conducting original research with Dr. Joe Grizuax and Shannon Montgomery. Together, they are investigating the work-family interface and how it influences health among African Americans, which he will be presenting this fall. Outside of his formal curriculum, Thomas is also part of a research team investigating pediatric knee development and ACL reconstruction through the Department of Pediatric Orthopedic Surgery at Stanford University. As a future physician, Thomas looks forward to diversifying the workforce while continuing to help children with disabilities and giving back to underserved communities. For his professional accomplishments and continued service to his community, the Alumni Association is proud to present Nicholas Thomas with a 2021 Ruben O. D. Askew Young Alumni Award.
It's truly an honor to stand here today amongst such amazing individuals. This journey hasn't been the easiest, but I couldn't imagine it anywhere else other than right here at the Florida State University. You see, FSU took a chance on me not once, but twice. I never considered myself the smartest or most outstanding student, but what FSU has taught me is that with passion, intention, and drive, anything is possible. And that brings me back to about 3 years ago when I was applying to medical school. I was getting my first acceptances and getting ready to move to Nashville when the FSU College of Medicine emailed me, granting me acceptance not into the medical school, but into their master's program. And I was a little bit conflicted because, FSU was obviously my number one choice, but following that, I got an email that asked me to meet with the director of the program, Dr. Anthony Spates. And throughout all the interviews at various medical schools, that was the first time that I encountered someone who truly and genuinely cared about my success. And now, as a second-year medical student here at FSU, I can tell you that sentiment has not wavered one bit. I am forever indebted. And no, I'm not referring to what will be 9 years worth of student loans. I'm talking about the late nights spent in Stroger Library, the hundreds of hours spent standing for Dance Marathon, reciting the Theta Chi Creed every Sunday, and hearing that roar in Doak Campbell Stadium on game day. I started here at FSU as a naive 17-year-old, and I'll be leaving here a physician. And that speaks to the power of FSU. But most of all, I would not be here if it wasn't for the support of my loving family, my nephew, who's my biggest motivation, my girlfriend and the Gilder family, Dr. Spates, Heather Gordon, and the entire College of Medicine. And so lastly, I want to say thank you to the FSU Alumni Association, and to all of you here, thank you, and go Noles.